Yeah, we had one client that did it was a program called Business Vision, and when they do a year end, it overwrites the year before, which is kind of a silly way of doing it, but that's what it does.
Hmm.
And what they did was they accidentally did a year end twice. So they did a year end to close off the year, and then they did it a second time, which now basically had nothing overwriting the previous year end. We had to send that to a data recovery system, and it took a while, but they got it back, and it was a big project. But yeah, so that's one of the things that we've done. We've had a situation. We had one person that it was their personal machine, but of course it had all their pictures on it and their wife was very upset that the drive had failed. So he was in
Oh.
big trouble. So
Hmm.
at first they tried to go to a local, um, I won't say the name of the company, but a box store that sells computers and try to get them to replace it and fix it. And they weren't able to do so. And in fact, they actually lost part of the drive. They took the drive apart and lost part of it. And we know that because we had the serial numbers from both parts. So what they sent back to us when they were unsuccessful, was actually two parts of two different drives.
Oh my
There's
gosh,
the actual
trying to
drive
cover their
itself with
tracks.
data and
Yeah.
the motherboard part, and they sent us the wrong thing. So at first they
Hmm.
didn't, it took a while to actually get them to agree that yes, indeed, we could prove that they had the wrong thing, and they actually found the original one and sent it back to us. And from then
Hmm.
we could take it and put it together, and we were able to recover all the pictures for this person, so he wasn't in big trouble with his wife anymore.